Voyagers by Azad Automotive Customs is a custom-built Force Urbania and also be used on other platforms like bus chassis, converting them into RV, camper, motorhome or VIP luxury on wheels.
Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
Voyagers is designed for those who demand utmost convenience, comfort and style while on the road. Just step inside and you will be greeted with a world of lavishness. The seat offers multiple comfort features. Forward and aft movement of the seat. These two offer support to calf and backrest. These two buttons, they offer seat ventilation features. One is for cooling and one is for heating. It offers a retractable table which can be used for both food and work purpose. It has two charging ports on each seat, one on the side wall and one just below the armrest. The seat offers massage feature for your comfort, and last but not the least, a 3-point seat belt for your safety. The screen is a smart control hub. It controls light, curtain and AV unit. Ceiling lights can be controlled by remote. Voyager also offers AC vents which has light changing feature in it. Voyager also offers a smart Samsung TV that connects with the Bluetooth soundbar. This is a partition window, one of the ways to communicate with the driver. It has individual reading light just above the seat. Voyager also comes with the intercom system to communicate with the driver. Press this button to call. Voyager comes equipped with a mini refrigerator for your travel. It offers a foldable table with a charging socket in the proximity for kettle or any other gadgets you have. Motorized door for washroom entry. Every individual has a different liking, taste and needs. So all our project begins with a thorough discussion to understand our individual needs before we start executing our project. Azad Group is more than 6 decades old, offering all sort of passenger transport and special application solution.